Learn Korean one word at a time. Only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 37. Hakgyo, which means school in English. Hakgyo is the Korean noun for school. The word Hakgyo could be divided into two syllables. Hakgyo. Hak is formed from the combination of the sounds of hyo, a, and gyok, while gyo is formed from the combination of the sounds of gyok and yo. Hakgyo. You just learned Hakgyo. Let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. Our previous 10 words are words number 27 to 36. Remember that our word for today is Hakgyo, which means school. Word number 36 is mul. This is a noun, which means water. Word number 35 is choyayo, which means it is me or this is me. Word number 34 is saram. This is a noun and it means person. Word number 33 is silyahabnuda, which means I'm sorry to disturb you in a formal manner. Word number 32 is kabang. This is a noun which means bag. Word number 31 is chalbotakturibnida, which means please take care of me in a formal manner. Word number 30 is tobocha, which means see you again. And this is not as immediate or urgent as idabwa or see you later. Word number 29 is idabwa, which means see you later. Word number 28 is kunyang, which means just because. Word number 27 is pali. This is an adverb which means to move quickly or fast. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time. Only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.